In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a Cursor AI account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to google.com and then search for Cursor AI. Once from here, it should be looking something like this. And once you scroll down, you'll be able to see cursor.com right here, and you'll just need to sign in or click on it. And then from here, you'll be seeing something like this. Now from here, you can either enter in your email address right here and then click continue and then sign in that way, or you can continue using your Google ID directly connected to your GitHub account or use your Apple ID. Now once from here, you'll simply need to choose one of these options, and then from here, you'll be asked this question: start your pro plan to continue. Here you can either continue or skip for now. You'll also be able to be asked if you want to share data, click continue, and if you want to sign in and connect with your either GitHub or GitLab account. From here, you'll simply need to say that you're all done and download Cursor AI onto your computer, and then sign in using your account that you just created. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!